I ordered some goodies from Colourpop, and I figured I would share them in this vlog, or whatever this video is. I don't know if it's a vlog or, I don't know. But anyway, it's like a mini Colourpop haul. I spent over $100 on their site the other day to dip my fingers in them and try out their brand more because I love what I have from them already. So I wanted to try some new things. So I ordered their no filter foundation, and I wore this yesterday for about 11 hours. I don't know if I'm gonna like this. I might have to try it again because I did just apply it with one of these brushes, and I'm thinking maybe that was the problem. I'm gonna try Beauty Blender, but it was just really oily for me, and literally like it just did not look good. And then it kind of oxidized, kind of orangey, so I will have to test that further. But for picking my color shade offline, I did pretty well, so proud of myself. I got a blush of theirs in the shade Between the Sheets. It's a Super Shock Cheek blush. And that's the shade of it. It's really pretty. I use that, and that is really pretty. I like that. I got their no filter setting powder in, I think, I just got it translucent for an all over the face setting powder. I tried that with the foundation, so I mean it didn't stop the oil at all, so I don't know if it's something that I'll actually like, but I'm gonna try using it over foundations that I know that I love and test it like that. I'm wearing the concealer right now for the first time. I tried this today. It's the no filter concealer. Love this. I got super light because I like a really light under eye, but this is so good. I love this concealer. Like, this is my new favorite. This is officially replacing my Maybelline Fit Me, and that says something because I've used that for years. I got the All Star Face Setting Spray, and I don't really know how I feel about it. The spray is like intense, not as intense as the e.l.f. primer mist, because that stuff is just way too thick and sprays in one spot. But this spray is like thick in one spot too, but it's not like full one spot. It's just like really thick and a lot. But I haven't tried this enough to know if I like it or not, but I got this as well. I got their Make Up Your Mind, I believe it's like glitters. Make Up Your Mind shadow palette. It's so pretty. Like, that yellow is speaking to me on a different level. I got their Brow Boss pencil. One end's the spoolie, and then the other end is the product. Got it in dark brown to match my black hair now. I love this thing too. This is really good. I also got the Brow Boss gel, and I tried this yesterday too, and I don't actually know how I feel about this. I just got the clear one, and I feel like it's just too goopy, and the spoolie is like too small and thin. I'm gonna try to, if it focuses, I don't know. But yeah, I just think it's too small and thin, and it's like too goopy, and it's hard to explain. I got a brush that I haven't even tried yet. It's their F15 Face Kabuki brush. I'm gonna try this with the foundation as well and see if I like that better. I got a Supernova shadow in the shade Lucky Penny. This looks so pretty on the website. Like, it looked stunning. I'm gonna swatch it for you. Wow. Wow. Seems kind of... Very translucent, but pretty. But you can see that. Wow, it's really pretty. Color is gorgeous. Some more of their Luxe lipsticks, even though I still haven't worn the ones that I have. But I think I got more nudie colors now. This one's in Third Eye. I actually haven't even opened them yet. I don't even remember what I got. Oh yeah, see, that's like a nice nude. And these are so creamy, like, wow. So that is Third Eye. Super pretty. Get a Room. Oh, I think I got a bright red. Yep. This is the bright red. Ew, we have a piece of hair on it. Ooh, yes. Look at that. Ooh, it's like an orange toned red. I love the orange toned reds. Get a Room. Orangey red. Gorge. The one in Stone Fox, and this is like a baby. Holy crap, this is way more pink in person than it was online, but that is Stone Fox. Very pale baby pink. Ooh, that's gonna be my new best friend. That nude is so pretty. That red though. Oh my god. That's all that I got at Colourpop. Yeah, but that concealer though, that concealer's good. Like, good. I don't know if I ever did tell you guys, but I did get the 24-hour Maybelline Superstay foundation. I still haven't tried it yet because I think I got it tanner than my actual skin tone, so I'm gonna wait until I'm a little tanner to try this. But I like that it's a pump, but I did like put it on my face once and I was like, oh my god, can't do that. Recently got the butter bronzer by Physicians Formula, and this smells so, oh my god, it smells so good. It just smells like the Caribbean, and I've never even been there, and that's just what it smells like to me. But I got this actually half off because I got my ways. But this is like a really expensive bronzer. It's like Physicians Formula, which is a drugstore brand, and it's like $14. Yeah, no, I wasn't paying that, so I got it half off. So, oh god, like I could smell this all day. This shit is amazing. Oh, and I should probably talk about the product itself. It's a really actually good bronzer. I'm wearing it right now, if you can tell. Probably not, the lighting sucks. And I got it in the deep shade. I got the RCMA Makeup Foundation Palette. Okay, this thing is expensive, by the way. But I did use it for the wedding that I did. It is so good. It's light coverage, it's not full coverage, but it is buildable semi, but not like to get it full coverage. It doesn't, no, it's not like that, but it is really nice and natural. I did actually try it on myself and I like it. Look at this mess. I need to re-clean this.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me.
Finally done cleaning. Looks great. I will do an after shot right now. So yeah, finally got it cleaned. Yay! I just got out of the shower and now I am going to do a face mask, put some oil in my hair, and get ready for bed. So, yeah.
Leave, the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything.
So I just put the argan oil on my ends because they're dead and they need a little help. And I have been using the Briogeo Rosarco Blow Dry Perfection cream. I just put a little bit. So for the face mask, I'm gonna use just the Studio 35 Beauty Facial Clay Mask, the Avocado and Oatmeal one. That clears pores and polishes skin. Just a simple one today. I'm just gonna apply it right with my hands. Decent amount.
Darling dear, you're never here. When I'm in pain, you hide and disappear. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares too. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me.
Ignore this, I don't know what this is. Oh, show them who you are. Oh my god. Look at the camera. at the camera. Okay, I love you. Yes, okay. Get down. Okay, yes. Everybody say hi. Okay, yeah, we're done. Okay. Okay, good girl. We're done. Nothing girl. Wow, that is red. Okay, well, my dog scratched me, so let's ignore that. Anyway, I went to TJ Maxx and I got some things. I spent, I think, $71. You know. God, what is this? Why does this exist? Like, I don't, it started up here and it somehow ended here. Don't know. Look at these. Look at those. My sister actually spotted them. I will give her the full credit. So these were super cheap. $24.99. And they look super comfy and like airy, like they're not gonna be stinky, and but I love I just love everything about them. Love those. It's by the brand Nautica. I got something that I actually wanted to try in a video, like while I film. It was only $2.99. So it's Clean Sweep Makeup Brush Pad. I used to have one, but I don't know where it went. Literally just like a sponge. I've seen these before. In a cute little tin can. I actually kind of want to try it right now. I don't know if it's actually supposed to clean them. Easily and quickly removes powder makeup from your favorite brushes with no dry times. Blah, 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 blah. Let's use one with color that I have yet to clean. There we go. This one's purple pink. You can even see it. I mean, I think it got all of like the product off that it can. Let's try this blue one. You can tell that I clean my brushes a lot. Anyway, I will have to test this further when I'm doing an eye look, but I think it works for the most part. I mean, I paid $2.99 for a sponge. Next item. I got a new spray. I saw it last time I was there, I didn't get it. I saw it this time I was there, I got it because it's just staring me in the face and I want to try it. So this is a brightening one. And it's by Province Beauty, and it's natural and vegan. Oh, it's not a spray, it's a toner serum. This was $5.99. While I'm here, I figured I just got my BoxyCharm in. So let's go through and see what I got. What I got. Ooh, a Laura Geller blush, a baked blush. Look at that. Let's not blind you. Ooh. It's blurry, but oh well. Ooh, look at that reflect. So it's got a little bit of a shimmer. I got a trio of brushes. Alamar. I like the green handles too. That's cute. That's different. Oh, forgot to do prices. My bad. So the blush is normally $28. The brushes are normally $18. We got Lorac Pro Matte Lip Color. Ooh, I like Lorac. Whoa, they gave me a bomb color. They gave me neon purple. We're putting it on right now. Don't even try me because we're doing it. I cannot do shit with this applicator. We overlining a little bit today. It has to be the worst application known to man. I hate the applicator. Wow, I hate the applicator. For Lorac Pro. That's not very pro. But I like the color. It's cute. Nightingale Pretty Vulgar Eyeshadow Palette. Give her a little moment. I think I have like 30 palettes just like that. And then a Butter London Wow Stroke of Wow Roll-On Precision Liner. What? Oh, it's an actual roll-on liner. Oh, drop that. What the heck? It's an actual, like, I've seen videos about this, but I've never actually... What? Can we talk about how that wing literally took me 2 seconds? I hope we're meant for each other. The Lorac lip color is $19. The eyeshadow palette is $35. The Stroke of Wow eyeliner is $19. This is where I'm going to end the vlog. It's kind of a little weird. We went from makeup haul, making smoothies, to this haul, to whatever else is in this vlog. I don't even remember, it's been so long. No, you cannot have my lipstick. Look straight ahead at the camera.